Okay, now let's say you have a song and it has about three different tempos throughout the song. Now, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you'd approach that. The first thing you want to do is make sure you go to the right here if you don't already have it selected. Make sure you have your transport and the extended transport selected. So you need to have these here so you have access to what you need to do. The next thing you want to do is make sure the conductor track here is selected, which is selected is in blue. And then after that, the next thing you want to do is go right here and click this red tempo editor here. Click this red, click that, and you tap in the tempo here where you see the BPM. You tap in the tempo here by hitting the T on your keyboard, and that's how you find the tempo, the first tempo. So here's I'll hum the groove I have in my head. Ba-da-da-da, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-da. Ba-da-da-da, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-da. Okay, so it's about 90 beats per minute. The next thing I want to do is click OK here now. And I find the first tempo. Now let's say the second, you want to find the second. To find the second tempo, you go to the plus right here and you click on the plus in the tempo area. And next thing you type in the measure where you want the next tempo, which I have 10 here. I want it to at measure 10, and I highlight the BPM here. Then I tap the tempo I have in my head, the beat or the groove I have in my head, and that will find the tempo for me. All right, so it's about 94 beats per minute. Then I click OK there, and I need to find the last measure. Now we did say it's about three different tempo changes we'll have in the song. We'll go ahead and we'll click the plus again, and now it's asking me what location. Let's put it at the 20th measure. 20 measure, okay. And let's highlight the BPM again, and we're gonna tap the tempo we feel, the groove, the feel we have in here in our mind, and it will, Pro Tools will find that for us, and we'll just enter that. Okay, so that's about 82 beats per minute, and you just go ahead and click OK. That's how you set up multiple tempos in a song. So if you learned something from this lesson, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell. Thanks.